What's up, guys? This is KnivesPlus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We are going to be looking at a modified knife that we do here in house. We've had a lot of requests to do videos on these knives, and we just really haven't done that, so this is going to be kind of our first one. The original knife is a Boker Lateralus. It is a JB Stout design knife, and just a really cool, sweet design from the beginning. Great materials too. Love the D2 blade steel that they put in these things. You do have a sturdy frame lock there. And this G10 version weighs about 4 ounces, and the stainless steel version weighs 5 ounces. So not too heavy. You do have, it feels a lot lighter with that G10. But this is the original blade style. I like the fuller in here. The machining in the handle really makes that knife pop. So what we did is we took the same knife and we put a Tanto regrind on it. Pretty simple regrind if you have the correct tools and everything. All that was done is you kind of just grind it in just a tad to make this completely straight, and then do the same up here. We tried to keep as little we tried to remove as little as possible on the steel and the actual knife, because what you do when you start grinding these edges in is you kind of start getting into the thicker part back here. So we tried to keep that as minimal as possible. Still a little bit thicker on the edge than the original one, but that kind of goes without saying since you are bringing it in just a tad. But with the fuller and the grinds, everything just looks super clean on this Tanto regrind. Very impressed with how it came out. I hate to change up a JB Stout design knife because I love his style, but when I saw that, you know, we just kind of thought that would look really killer with a Tanto grind on it. We didn't charge a whole lot to regrind this thing. We figured 15 bucks was an appropriate amount to charge for this regrind. So this knife sells with the modification at like 95 bucks out the door. The G10 version is $85, so just a really cool style. Really happy with how these things turned out. Fantastic knife from JB Stout and Boker. These are available on the website, and I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to KnivesPlus.com to learn more.